Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the given problem code conversion from binary to gray and gray to binary code. The first bit, convert the binary code value 1011110 with base 2 into gray code. The second bit is convert the gray code value 11001101 into binary code. Now let us take the first bit, convert the binary code value into gray code. To convert this binary into gray code, let us rewrite the given binary value 10111110. Now, to write the gray value, we should apply the XOR operation between two successive bits. So, let us take the truth table of XOR gate. Here, A and B are two inputs, each having binary data with combinations of 0001, 1011. The XOR output for these combinations should be 000, 011, 101, 110. That means when both inputs are equal, then the output is 0. If odd number of ones in input combinations, then the output should be 1. Okay. So based on this XOR operation, we should find the gray value. To find the gray value, first let us take the MSB as it is. So 1 should be the same 1. Now apply XOR between two successive bits. 10 means the equivalent of XOR is 1 now. Again apply 01 XOR. 01 means again its value is 1 now. 11 XOR value is 0. Again 11 now, 0. Again 11 now, 0. Now this is 10. Its equivalent is 1 now. This is the equivalent gray value for the given binary. The next one is convert the gray code value into binary code. First rewrite the given gray code value 11001101. To find the binary, again apply XOR operation. So for that, take the XOR truth table. Again, the MSB should be the same 1. Now apply XOR between these two bits. Okay. So 11 means its equivalent to XOR is 0. Now between these two bits apply XOR. 0 is 0. Between these two bits XOR 0. The same way we should continue the process. That is 11 is 0. Now between these two 0 is 0. Between these two XOR 01 is 1 now. This is the obtained binary value for the given gray value. I hope you understand this concept very easily. This is a very important problem. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, DL request, and also please comment in comment box if you have any doubts. Thank you.